Dacia Hipster Concept steps into a market that has slowly drifted toward excess and makes a very simple promise. Give people exactly what they need for everyday life without the weight, cost, and complexity that keep pushing cars out of reach. It is a small electric city car that treats frugality as a feature and design discipline as a virtue. The footprint is tiny at 3 meters long, 1.53 meters high, and 1.55 meters wide, yet the cabin is cleverly packaged. 4 real seats fit adults comfortably, and the boot flexes from 70 liters with 4 aboard to 500 liters with the rear seat folded. The shape is an honest box planted on 4 corners with no front or rear overhangs, so every millimeter serves space and maneuverability. The face is upright and friendly, with slim lights set into a horizontal fascia, while the tailgate spans the full width and opens in 2 parts to make loading easy on tight streets. Weight is the headline number. By design, it is about 20% lighter than the Spring. Less mass means fewer raw materials, less energy in production, and less energy to move every day. Dacia says the ambition is to cut the full life cycle carbon footprint roughly in half compared to today's best electric vehicles. That target aligns with real usage patterns. Daily driving that rarely exceeds modest distances and only needs simple charging 2 times per week. The details are disarmingly pragmatic. Exterior handles give way to strong fabric straps that save cost and grams. Side windows slide rather than power drop to trim weight and parts count. Bodywork uses a single color with just 3 painted elements, while sturdy side cladding in Starkle, a partially recycled material developed by Dacia, shrugs off city scuffs. Even the rear lights sit behind the tailgate glass, eliminating a dedicated lens. It is a masterclass in cost-aware creativity. Inside, the mood stays warm and purposeful. Tall windows, a near-vertical windscreen, and a glazed front roof panel flood the small footprint with light. The front seats merge into a friendly bench with a visible frame and breathable technical mesh, while open-work headrests keep grams down. Getting into the back is easy thanks to a wide door opening and a passenger seat that tilts forward. Safety essentials are present with 2 airbags integrated cleanly into the simple dashboard. True to Dacia's bring-your-own-device philosophy, the car treats the smartphone as the brain. A secure dock turns it into the multimedia screen, the navigation hub, and even the digital key. For sound, pair a portable Bluetooth speaker that clicks into place and comes out for a picnic. The YouClip ecosystem of anchor points, 11 in total across the dash, the doors, and the boot, lets owners add cup holders, armrests, lamps, and other accessories only when they want them. It is the opposite of over-equipping a car with features that most people never use. The bigger idea is social, not just technical. New car prices in Europe have climbed dramatically since 2010, locking many buyers out of electrification. Dacia's answer is not to chase longer ranges, larger screens, or wild acceleration figures. It is to relentlessly strip away the unnecessary and concentrate on what serves daily life. A compact footprint that still fits 4. Materials that are robust, repairable, and partly recycled. Charging that fits a weekly rhythm rather than dictating it. Design that can be sketched in 3 strokes and spotted across a crowded street. Dacia Hipster Concept feels like a reset button for the everyday car. Honest, resourceful, and ready for real roads and real budgets. If this vision reaches production with the same clarity, it could become the people's electric car for a generation that values smart simplicity over excess. If you enjoy this kind of efficient design and down-to-earth engineering, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the next video.